Hey Nate, again over here at Easy HOA. I'm going to show you how to set up approval rules for requests, different request categories. So that's going to be located over here under approvals and then approval rules. If I click on that, so far we have one that's set up. I'm going to show you how to create a new rule by clicking this button here, create new rule. It's pretty basic. You just decide what the name of this approval workflow should be called. And then you can select uh, majority or unanimous approval acceptance, and then the request type. So right now we have architectural, general, invoices, landscaping, maintenance, but you can create more request types under the requests portion of the software. These are the ones that we have here. I set one up for architectural, and so I'm going to show you how that works over here. So let me go back. Actually, let me go back to the rules and I'll show you that this is set up. So I have an ARC request type set up for architectural, and it's going to assign to these board members. So this is an automatic event anytime there's a request type of architectural that's made. So for example, if I go over and I'm pretending I am an owner and I'm logged into the owner portal. So this side is the owner side, and I've already gone to requests, and I'm creating a new request on the owner side. And I've typed in shed construction, and I'm going to select architectural as the type. And I can add some description in here if I'd like. You can add a form under the request settings. That's another section that we can show you how to do that later. And they can fill out all of the ARC forms or whatever. I'm going to just add an image here, and I'm just going to say storage shed. And this is just for testing purposes. So I'm going to click create. So on the owner side, I've created this architectural request form. It's created. I can see it over here on the owner side. So now if I go back over here, I'm going to refresh the approval side. And now you'll see that that automatically populated in here. It says shed construction. It would have initiated a email to all of these people. So I've got an inbox over here that I should have got emailed. So here it is. An approval has been assigned. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Let me refresh this. Let's look at, sorry, wrong email. Here it is. An approval has been assigned to you. The type is request. It's got that, and it's just got some details. So it notifies the person. They can go in then to the approval, and they can approve it, or they can deny it, or they can respond to that communication log, and they can talk about it as a board and see if you need more info or more images. The cool thing is this is linked. So we are showing the form right here. So you don't have to go anywhere else. You can see that architectural request form. And then if you need to, you can go over to the original request as well and see that the details of that request over there. And then from this side, if you need to, you can chat with the owner through this communication log and compose an email and talk to them and request more information. So I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any other questions, and we'll talk to you later.